You might as well not start trading if you're not going to be serious about these 4 things. You go ahead and save your coins, do something else, but if you are not going to commit to being serious about these 4 things in this video, then you might as well just stop. All right, y'all. So the first thing that we are going to be serious about if we want to be traders, specifically options traders, is we are going to be specific and serious about the education. Being a educator, right? I'm coming from an education background. I have over a decade of teaching experience, and I fell in love with trading options. And the simple fact of the matter is, guys, is that you cannot just watch one video and feel like you're ready to jump into the market. I'm gonna tell you that right now. There is a lot of things that you need to know in order to be a confident trader and be a profitable trader. And inside of my free Discord is where I've curated certain videos that I know will help you on your trading journey. I've also created specific ones using my trading background and my education background, so it can be simple for you to understand the most important things that you're gonna need, because there's a lot of information, but I've made sure that I have tailored it down to what you're going to need to get started as a trader. So make sure you check out the description box below, and just know that this is a continued journey. We're going to always continue learning, because if you're learning, you're always earning. All right, let's go on to number 2. All right, number 2, if you're not going to do this, you might as well just really, for real, like stop trading, right? Or don't even think about it. If you are not going to come up with a plan, a trading plan, then you might as well just not even go into the market, right? A trading plan is so important. And I'm so glad you're here, because when I started out trading, guys, I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't know it was important, but because you're here, you know now, right? So a trading plan is simply your steps that you're going to follow when it comes to taking a trade or exiting a trade. Your entry point, your exit point, your strategy, right? When you take profit, when you don't. Those kind of things are going to be a part of your trading plan, and they're very important to know what your plans are before you get into a trade. A lot of people think, yeah, let's go make money. But okay, you're in a trade. When do you get out? Why do you get out? What are you looking for? So the saying always goes, right? If you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. And it literally is so true when it comes to trading in the market. So if you're not going to be serious about developing a plan, or if you have no idea what a plan is, then you need to either develop your own plan or check out my description box below and join my free Discord. Inside of that, we have plans and all the things that you need to keep going. All right, let's go on to number 3. Number 3 is, if you're not going to do this, just stop. I hope you get the theme of the video, right? These are the things that we need, okay? So if you are not going to have your risk management and respect it, just don't do it. Save yourself the heartache and the loss of the money, right? Because having a risk management strategy is so important to your longevity in the market. Because at the end of the day, risk management is how you're able to literally manage your risk. When going into trades, I don't think people understand what you're doing, right? You're literally risking set amount of dollars to make set amount of dollars. So you have to put money up in order to make money. It's not just like, yay, we're gonna trade, let's make money. No, you gotta risk something, right? And it is a risk. Like, I want that to be very clear. So how do we make sure that we are not going to lose it all in one trade or lose half of it in one trade? Well, you enlist risk management. And what we like to do in the Boss Up Academy is to make sure that our losses are smaller and our wins are larger, right? Because with risk comes the uncertainty of winning and losing, right? But when you have a plan and you have a risk management strategy, you can somehow control your losses, right? The amount of your loss, right? And the beauty of the risk management strategy that we use is that, like I said, your losses are smaller and your wins are bigger, right? And this will help your longevity in the market and your confidence in the market. Because at the end of the day, that's what we want. We want you to be in the market for and, be a trading for as long as you are physically able to do that. And that's how we do it using risk management. Let's go on to number 4. Thanks for staying through all the way to thus far. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I see you like it here, and we do all kinds of content like this, all right? And give me a thumbs up. So number 4 is, please do not trade. right? If you cannot understand that you have to control your emotions when it comes to the stock market, just don't start. Please save yourself the heartache, right? Because people think that it's just, oh, lines and charts and candles and VWAPs and 200s and these ticker symbols. No, there's a big part of trading that people don't really talk about, and that is your emotions, right? When your money is tied to something that fluctuates, right? Goes ups and downs, up and down. Guess where your heart is going? Up and down and up and down, the same way. So, guys, when it comes to trading, I can teach you the skills part in no time, right? That's 10%. That's 10% of the journey. 90%, and I truly believe this, is your psychology and your emotions, right? And being able to manage your emotions while you're in a trade or while you're in the market is going to be the make or break of your trading career. And I'm gonna tell you that right now, okay? So just being aware of that, your emotions will be tied into the market, but how do I handle that, right? How do I handle FOMO? How do I handle if there's a move happening and I missed it? How do I handle that, right? Or if a trade didn't go my way, how do I handle that? Do I go and fight the market and say, oh, I'm gonna get my money back? Or do you understand how to lower your risk for the next trade or know when to walk away from the computer, right? Or, when you're on a super duper high, do you go crazy and go for the gusto for the next one? So being aware of your emotions when these different things happen in the market is so crucial. And I'm giving it as much weight as all the other things I listed, right? It's so crucial to your trading success, right? And there's different things you can do to manage your emotions. Like, say, you might meditate, you might walk, you might listen to relaxing music, you might work out. Whatever you have to physically do to get your mind right when it comes to the market, it's super important and essential, okay? So guys, I hope this video is very helpful. I enjoyed making it for you as a beginning trader. And listen, if you don't get anything from this video and you're still here, I appreciate you. And I want you to know you can do it. I want you to know you can do it. I want you to have fun in the learning process. I want you to know that you're going to have some missteps, but just think about this. This can definitely be the key to your financial freedom and your future. So don't give up. Don't give up. And if you're tapped in, type in the chat and let me know that you're locked in and you're a part of the Boss Up family and you have subscribed and you love it here. Appreciate you, each and every one of you. Hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. Bye.